Hi all, so today we're going to see some pure modal silk unstitched suits with pure Rajrock prints and pure hand block prints on it. So one I've stitched to show you how it look like once it's done. So this is done with a nice scallop pattern for the pant and for the sleeve, and a nice neck pattern with mirror work. Real mirror work is done for the neckline. So we'll quickly get into the video. We'll show you all the prints and colors available. So each print has single color. The first one is a red one, similar to the one I'm wearing. This one has a center Rajrock print in a different pattern. On sides it has a different pattern. For all these suits, the pant also has a nice print. So this is the print for the pant. So forgot to tell you, for all the dupattas there is a gaji pallu, and this has the print mixed with the prints on the suit and on the pant. The next one, this is a nice shade of metallic grey. As you can see, this has a different print for the neck pattern alone, and for the rest of the body it's the same pattern. So it has big buttas for the top. For the pant it has small buttas like these. So this is how the dupatta will come with gaji pallu. So the next few ones are going to be in indigo blue. All these have a nice sheen, and this one is similar to the one which we saw first, the red one. So it has center part has a different print, and for the side part it has a different print. Here the top has smaller prints, and for the pant it has bigger prints. So this is the pant, and this is the dupatta with again a gaji pallu. So for all the dupattas it will have all the prints on the top and pant. So the next one is again an indigo blue one. So all these is a nice sheen, as you can see, and this has a pattern for the neck, and it has a contemporary hand block print for the rest of the body. And I should mention this, so all these are hand block. Since it's hand down, it will have some deformities here and there. As you can see, all these are hand done, not machine made. So it will have little bit deformities in print as it's done by hand. So that is the beauty of these products as well. As you can see, every product it will have, that is the natural, these are all natural dyes done by hand. So there will be, so as you can see, in certain parts it will be light, certain parts it will be dark. So for every suit or sari in this, it will have that kind of a print. The next one is again an indigo blue one. Again, you can see the shine on it. So this has a nice neck pattern, a V-neck pattern, and a center different print, and a floral print on the sides. And this is the pant for it, which since the top has a simpler design, the pant has a nice intense design. And for this, the dupatta is very pretty one. As you can see, I'll just show you on me. So the center it has a nice different pattern, and for the borders it has a different pattern. And the next sets are going to be in black. This is a very pretty one. This is a nice print, Ajrak print. It's so much in demand right now. The center has a nice different pattern, and for the sides a different pattern. And all of these suits are very difficult to restock. Faster, we will be restocking, but it will take some time because since this is monsoon time, it will take some time for them to dry. Since all these are the hand done, it will take some time to restock. So if you're really liking them, just quickly book them. The next one is a nice simpler one with a nice pattern for the neck. So all these you can just add a nice statement jewelry for it, a nice oxidized jewelry or some mirror work or terracotta jewelry also will look good for these. And you can just elevate the look of these suits with some nice mirror work on it as well. The dupatta is really very pretty, very different. The next one is again a black one with center pattern in a different print, and for the sides it is smaller prints. The pant for this again is a geometrical one. Again, this has a similar dupatta. The next black one is a very unique one. So it has a diamond kind of a block print with small dots all over. The pant is also different. The dupatta again is a very pretty one. It has intense pattern for the entire dupatta and nice borders. The next couple of ones which I'm going to show you are all in browns. So this is similar. We saw similar one of this in an indigo blue. So the best part of these are all these dupattas or pants or tops. You can use it with different, you can just mix and match with different things. This is the pant. So the dupatta, you can just wear it for a plain anarkali or a plain gown. It will really go so well. So for example, if you take this dupatta, you can wear it along with this, or also you can wear it with a plain red or a plain black. anarkali or a gown, or a plain black kurti as well. This is another brown shade. This is a very beautiful brown shade, I would say, with red dominating on it. So this has rose kind of block print all over with pattern for neck alone, and a striped pant, very contemporary design. This dupatta is also super pretty. So all these dupattas itself will cost you so much. So all these are beautiful mix and match pieces where you can just style it in your own way with a statement look. So all these are great choices for events at office, colleges, and so also for some small family events which is happening at home and all that. These are super comfortable to wear, very lightweight, and that has a very nice sheen on it, and the gold on the dupatta adds all the bling to the entire set. So if you're really loving them, please book them as quickly as possible. As I said earlier, these are very difficult to restock faster as all these are hand done. So if you're loving them, just send a screenshot on WhatsApp, or you can book these suits on our website messma.com. The codes of these are given in the description below, or also you can drop into our store which is located in Anna Nagar, Chennai, or you can also schedule a video call to have a look of them and then purchase them. Thank you so much for watching.